Bugatti Chiron Super Sport Golden Era is a unique hypercar commissioned by a wealthy collector with a passion for Bugatti history and the W16 engine. The collector collaborated with Bugatti's Sur Mesure to create an exclusive masterpiece on a Chiron Super Sport chassis. This creation, known as the Golden Era, showcases 45 hand-drawn sketches on its body, commemorating historical moments and vehicles from Bugatti's past. The design concept, developed in conjunction with Bugatti's design director Epitome Ansheet, portrays significant Bugatti models and milestones. On the passenger side, 26 sketches depict iconic vehicles like the 1926 Type 41 Royale and the Type 57 Atlantic. The driver's side features 19 sketches highlighting Bugatti's history since its 1987 relaunch, encompassing models like the EB110, Veyron, and Chiron. The sketches are set against a door gold background, with nocturne black paint providing contrast. The level of authenticity sought by the collector extended even to the pens used for the sketches, mirroring those used by Bugatti's in-house designers. The result is a stunning automotive canvas that resembles an intricate tattoo from a distance. Bugatti has not disclosed the buyer's identity or the purchase price, but the hypercar is set to be delivered during Monterey Car Week. This bespoke creation merges automotive engineering with artistry, epitomizing the intersection of luxury, history, and craftsmanship.